Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to download and install Dude Theft Wars free on your Android device. First of all, make sure that you unlock your Android device and then open up Google Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom and in the search bar at the top type in Dude Theft Wars. Look for the application in the search results and open up the app from Pokestel Studios game. Now, tap on Install to begin the download process. Once the application is installed, tap on the play button to start playing the game. Dude Theft Wars is a sandbox open world game where players can explore a city environment, drive vehicles, interact with NPCs, complete missions, and engage in chaotic gameplay. Once you are done, you can then go ahead and agree to necessary permissions, and then there you have it. Now you can go ahead and explore the game in your very own Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.